A $50 billion loan would help Ukraine service its foreign debt repayments, set to peak at about $9 billion this year. Officials believe that securing fresh loan from the IMF, which froze its lending to Ukraine last year as a punishment for not reaching fiscal targets, will stabilize Ukraine's economic situation.
We have a big interest in getting this money. We also have an interest in refinancing the credit which we received previously from the IMF. We have grounds and our own calculations for hoping that this standby program will be issued.
The IMF says that last year Ukraine's economic activity sharply slowed, account deficit widened, fiscal accounts deteriorated. The fund has been pressing Ukraine to rise up household natural gas prices, which used to be the biggest obstacle to securing the loan. The cabinet's possible solution would involve negotiating lower gas prices from Gazprom, which experts cast doubts on. The country's dire need of securing $15 billion loan seems to be out of question now. But many wonder if Ukraine, which has to date signed 7 loan deals with the fund, finally puts the money to good use or not. Experts agree that without the loan, the Eastern European country may face debt crises, such as those in many European countries. But Ukraine's biggest trouble is that borrowed money is never properly used.
Money had always been used improperly during all previous standby programs, and I predict the next one will be misused again. Ukraine fails to keep economic obligations.
In order to deal with the IMF, now the government needs to make unpopular moves. The president, Viktor Yanukovych, has been reluctant to do it ahead of recent parliamentary elections. Now it would be a politically risky move for him, as he plans to run for a second 5-year term in 2015. Thus, experts say the political populism hampers economic reforms.
Реформы, как правило, непопулярны.
On a large scale, economic reforms are unpopular all over the world, not only in Ukraine. Although IMF can make some negligible concessions, it's becoming clear: no reforms, no money.
The fund mission is scheduled to stay in Ukraine up until April the 10th. But experts point out that not until Ukraine revises macroeconomic indicators and demands the budget would it receive the fresh loan from the IMF. Thus, they predict no financial assistance up until the year end. Oleksandra Molotkova, Press TV, Kyiv.